people, the Ashish family, the Mane family. So I would like to welcome him with a huge round of applause. Please give it up for Father Shekhar, everybody. I would also like to call on stage Shraddha Mane and Ashish Mane, without which we would all not be here today.
Many words 4 साल से बुला रहा हूँ, आ नहीं रहे थे, अभी एकदम ज़बरदस्ती बुलाया है, प्यार से बुलाया है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें बोलनी है मुझे. The relation of Father Shekhar and me and institute, it's very long. लोग हाई मूवमेंट पे सपोर्ट करते हैं, फादर शेखर ने लो नहीं लोएस्ट मूवमेंट पे सपोर्ट किया है. He had supported Andheri head branch in lockdown, after lockdown, and there was one disaster moment in my life in 2021. That time he stand strongly back behind me. Classes was completely closed for 3 months. I was not able to take classes, many issues. Every time Father Shekhar was standing behind me, always. Thank you, Father, for so many years. Continue your love and blessing with us.
Good evening, everyone. So thank you for your kind words. It's been, yes, very long time that I'm supposed to come and witness this show. Unfortunately, something or the other is to happen. So maybe because of the school or because of the other commitments, unable to avoid. So I will not bore you all. So wonderful program going. Suddenly the boring speech is always okay. This my humble congratulations and gratitude to Sir Ashish and ma'am for the they've been very kind to invite me to witness this. Thank you for inviting me. And I would like to say rather, dance is one form of expression, right? Dance is one form of expression. You see the children who are doing it, especially I appreciate them giving an opportunity for those children who think they are not compared to others equal. When they give that, that's why the Don Bosco we stand for. We give a equal opportunities for everyone, not only those who can do as well as those who cannot do it. There is no cannot do it. They will perform it little lesser than the other. That's what we believe. And Don Bosco, we the fathers of Don Bosco institution. There are some of you all heard of Don Bosco, correct? Is there anyone heard of Don Bosco? Yes, okay. There are some of you all already Don Bosco. Dominic Savio is part of Don Bosco, so therefore, so we are Don Bosco is almost 134 countries. Okay, not only in Mumbai, not only in India, all over the world, 134 countries, working for a number of institutions, schools, boardings, hostels, colleges, technical schools, etc., so on and so forth. So we give an important overall development to the students who haven't come in contact with. After the school hours, we don't keep such a big institutions like a big monsters just hidden. That's where we open up to them like this, so that after the schools, people who can excel in different ways, dance, art, any form of things, even sports. So that's why Sir came approached us and we did so. And today, nice to see you reaching 10 years at a big milestone. This time surely will come to be 25 and 50. You all of us, and including myself, will come again to witness this show many more years to come. All the best and congratulations and God's blessing always to you and on your team, everyone. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Father Shekhar. Thank you.